Hello friends, my baby, my Rose, she is not fine. We come to hospital with for her treatment. I'm feeling very bad, very sad. I hope she will be fine. I hope. She is not eating anything from yesterday, and she is doing loose motion. She is doing vomiting, and immediately we come today hospital. So we are sitting outside hospital because this is government hospital, and because she is doing vomiting and loose motion, they said they have to put my puppy outside. So we are here now. Anyway, all I need to give her care. See? So we have to come 3 days for this.
पर्ची डीसी में कह के लगा देंगे। बोतल होर भी चाहिए नहीं
We have to give him 200 ml, I think. Rose. You know, dogs look good when they eat, when they play. When they get sick, they're not good, look good. Even they make me sad. Bacha. Because you know, 2 दिन पहले, day before yesterday, continuous बारिश आ रही थी. Continue raining. This is the reason, during rain, always there is virus. बारिश के दिनों में डॉग्स को बचा के रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है. इवन इनको तो मैंने बाहर जाने भी नहीं दिया. घर के अंदर थे, बारिश से बच के थे, बट बारिश के कारण ठंड लग गई बच्चों को. Rose. So lots of animals are coming here, dogs are coming. Whenever any dog sick, I immediately come to this hospital because doctors are very good here.